Oh, you are traveling. Take care always, Min. Okay, so how are you tonight, Min, or today?
Not great.
Okay, all right. So, oh, where are you going? Are you going home?
Yes.
Oh, I see. All right. So now, Min, are you ready to start with our class?
Yeah, okay.
Okay. So teacher is going to share the screen and just wait for me just a few seconds. Okay. All right. So can you see the screen right now, Min?
No.
Oh, not yet? Okay, just wait for a moment. Maybe it's a little bit loading. Okay, how about that one?
Yes.
All right, so as you can see, we have a new lesson for tonight because we have finished the lesson 5 uh, last last class. Okay, so as you can see, the topic we had right now is all about what is your brother's name? Okay, so how about you? How about you, Min? Do you have a brother?
Yes.
Okay, so what is your brother's name?
What the name is Happy.
Happy. Oh, yes, you told me that one already. Thank you so much. I just forgot a little bit. Okay, so and how old is he?
He is 5 years old.
Oh, 5 years old. Is Happy with you right now?
Yes.
Oh, yes. Can you say hi for me to Happy? All right. Okay. All right. So now we have here the learning objectives. So in this lesson, you will learn to talk about your family. So we have exercise number 1, warm up, listen, and repeat these words with your tutor. Okay? Wife,
Wife.
husband,
Husband.
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 Okay, bond, bond.
Band.
Okay,
Band.
husband.
Husband.
Okay, mother.
Mother.
All right. Okay, wait for me. Father,
Father.
son,
Son.
daughter,
Daughter.
brother,
Brother.
sister.
Sister.
Okay, so we have here the let's practice. So answer the question by filling in the blanks. For example, what is your sister's name? My sister's name is Eugene. Okay, so now as you can see, there are samples or pictures here above. So you're just going to, can you see the screen clearly? Because the texts are so small. I hope you can just see it. So now I will be asking you the questions, and what you're going to do is just to answer this one according to the question, and the answers are just given above, okay?
Yes.
Okay. What is your sister's name?
My sister name is Joy.
Okay. What is your wife's name?
My wife's name is
Uh-huh. What is your wife's name? Okay, can you read it?
is
What is your wife's name?
my name is
My wife's
Joy.
name is what, baby? Is this is the wife? Okay, this is the wife right here and the girl. Okay, so what is her name?
Name is Jermaine and Hoover.
Jimin. Okay, so wife means the mother or the girl in the family, which is your mother. So Jimin. Okay, so how about this one? Okay, wait, just
Uh,
wait for me. Is your son's name?
my son name is Sunho.
It's Oh.
Oh,
Okay, so what is your father's name?
my father name is Junho.
Mm. All right, so now we have here the exercise number 2, vocabulary. So listen and repeat the sentences with your tutor. I am married.
I am married.
I Okay, again. I have daughter.
I have a daughter.
Okay, next. I have a son.
I have a son.
All right. I have 2 children.
I have 2 children.
Okay. I don't have children.
I don't have children.
All right. I have sister.
I have sister.
Mhm. I have brother.
I have brother.
I don't have brothers or sisters.
I don't have brother or sister.
Hmm. Okay, so now let's practice. Answer the questions by filling in the blanks. Okay, for example, are you married? No, I'm not. Okay, so as you can see, there are again pictures right here. So you are going to base this one according to the picture. Okay,
Yes.
okay, so now, are you married?
Yes, I am married.
Do you have brothers or sisters?
No, I have brother or sister.
All right. Do you have children?
Yes, I have a daughter.
Mm-hmm. All right, so now, choose, okay, another one. So you are going to base this one according to the new pictures, okay?
Yes,
All right. Are you married? Oh, sorry, sorry.
mm,
I need to put this up. Okay. Are you married?
yes, I
All right.
have.
Okay. Do you
Yes,
have children?
no, I have children.
No. All right. So now, do you have brothers and sisters?
Uh, I have 2 brothers.
Okay. So now, another one. Okay. So now let's have the dialogue. So read the dialogue aloud with your tutor. You will be Resa, okay? So I will be the teacher and you are going to be Resa, okay, baby? All right. Are you married, Resa?
Yes, I am.
Do you have children?
Yes, I have a lantern.
Okay. I have one
One
daughter.
dan
Daughter.
daughter.
Okay. What is your daughter's name?
My daughter name is Jean.
Mhm.
How about you, Mrs. Smith? Are
All right.
you please
Married. Okay, one more time. Married.
married?
Okay. Yes, I am. My husband's name is John.
Do you have children?
No, I don't. Do you have brothers or sisters?
Yes, I have a brother. His name is Fred. Do you have brother or sister?
Yes. I have 5 brothers and 4 sisters.
Really? Wow.
All right, so thank you so much, Mian, for that. I was so amazed with you say, really? Wow. All right, so now, Mian, let's answer this one, okay? Since we're done with practicing our words and our vocabulary, so let's have the exercise for matching. So tell your tutor the answer that matches the statements or question. Okay, number one. What is your brother's name?
Mm. My brother name is Takeshi.
Alright. Her name is Ying. Her name is Ying. Number two.
Mm, what is your sister name?
Number three. Yes, I am married.
What is your husband's name?
No, no, baby. Okay, again. Number three. Yes, I am married.
Are you married?
Okay. Four. What are your children's name?
Her name is Sally.
Okay. Are you sure? The question here is are means there is more than one. There are more than one. What
Um,
are your children's name?
the name are John and Jan.
Okay, next one. Are you married?
Yes, I am.
Okay. All right. So now, do you have brothers and sisters?
No,
Mhm.
no, I don't.
All right. No, I don't. Okay, so thank you so much for that one, Min. So now let's proceed on the exercise number five. So we have here fill in the blanks. So again, teacher will be reading the teacher and you will be Yun Woo. Okay, baby?
Yes.
All right. Are you ready?
Yes.
Okay. Are you married, Yun Woo?
No, I'm not married.
Do you have children?
No, I don't have children. No, I don't have children. How about you? Oh, yeah, you
Are you? Mhm.
have, are you have married?
No. Okay, can you do it again? You can do it, Min. Go, go, go. Okay, can you do it again on the number two?
Are you
Married.
married?
Okay. Yes, I am. Okay, next.
Do you have children?
Yes, I have three children. Okay,
Do
next.
you do you have brother or sister?
Yeah. Oh, no, no. This is my point. Sorry, 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 sorry. Okay. Do you have brothers or sisters?
Yes, I do. I have a teacher.
Okay, I have one sister. Okay, what is your sister's name?
My sister name is Sally.
Her name?
Her name is Sally.
All right, thank you so much. So we have here the answer, Paul. Have you married and her? Okay, so now let's proceed on the exercise number six. So on the exercise number six, we are going to reorder the words. As you can see, the example is married you are. So you are just going to reorder that one or re-scramble the words. So means are you married? Okay, so are you ready, Mian?
Yes.
Okay. One. What is number one?
Are you married?
Number two.
Do you have children?
Number three.
No, I am not married.
Number 4.
What is your name? What is your name is Humbug.
No, no. Okay, no, no. Another one, another one.
What name? What
No, no. Okay, number 4. Okay, can you try it again? What is
what is
your
name?
husband's
Your Humbug's
hus-
name?
Okay, what is your husband's name? Okay, number 5.
My name Dante is Sally.
Okay, can you do it again? Okay.
My name Dante is Sally.
Oh no. Okay, can you do it one more time? Okay, try it one more time, baby. My
My daughter
daughter's name.
my daughter name is Sally.
All right, number 6.
I have 3 children.
Number 7.
His name is Boy.
Number 8.
Do you have brother or sister?
Okay, very good, Mian. So you just have confusion and the number 4, which is what is your husband's name? And also her name, my daughter's name is Sally. But all in good because you answered everything correctly, okay? All right, so now let's proceed on the exercise number 7. Your turn to ask. So you are going to ask me these questions, then I will be answering you this one, okay?
Okay.
Okay, number 1.
Are you married?
No, I'm not. Number 2.
What is your husband's or wife name?
Okay, again, husbands,
Husband,
wives,
wife,
husband.
husband,
Okay, wife,
wife,
husband.
husband.
Okay, all right. So, okay, how about number 3?
Do you have children?
Yes, I have.
What are
4.
what are their names?
Their names are Princess Nicole, and then the other one is Prince Jerenio Margox, and then the other one is Kiana Marie. Okay, number 5.
Do you have brother or sister?
I don't have brothers or sisters. Number
What
6.
what are their names?
I don't have brothers or sisters. Number 7.
What is your mother name?
My mother's name is Conchita.
What is your father name?
My father's name is RR. All right, so now it's my turn to ask. So I will be just asking you the same questions and I want you to answer it, baby, okay?
Yes.
Okay. What is your mother's name?
My mother name is Thiet.
Okay. What is your father's name?
My my father name is Tens.
Okay. Do you have brothers or sisters?
Yes.
Okay. What names?
Uh, his name is Happy.
Are you married?
No, I'm not.
Okay. What is your husband's or wife's name?
Uh, the humble's name is
Oh, you don't have husband because you're not married. You're a You don't have husband because the question here, what is your? So means your husband's or wife's name. So you can just say that I don't have a wife yet. Okay, next, seven. Do you have children?
Yes.
All right, so next. Do you have children?
No.
Do you have children? Okay, last question. What are their names?
Uh, my name is Minjung.
Their names, baby. What are their names? Your children's name. You can just say, they don't have names yet because I don't have children.
Uh, I don't have children.
All right. Okay, so now, we're done with this one. So let's proceed on the next lesson, baby. So congratulations on finishing the lesson. So now let's proceed on the lesson 7. So we have here the topic about the age. So how about you, Min? How old are you?
Uh, the old is 11.
Okay,
11
you
years
can
old.
say I am 11 years old.
I am 11 years old.
Okay, so as you can see, we have here the learning objectives. So in this lesson, you will practice numbers 20 to 100. Okay, so can you help me count 20 until 100? Oh, do not count yet, baby. Let's have this one so that it will not it will not consume our time. And also, we are going to learn how to talk about the age. Okay, so now, exercise number 1, warm up. Can you please count the number that you see on the screen?
20,
20, 21,
22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19,
all right, and 100.
100.
Okay, so now, let's practice. Tell your tutor what you see in each picture. Okay, so for example, okay, wait, baby, let me drag this one first. So for example, this one. How many apples do you see?
Is 15, 4,
All right, 54. Okay, can you say it? 54.
54.
Okay, how about this one? How many apples do you see?
I see. 31
All right. How about this one?
is the 20, 25.
Are you sure?
20, 27
All right. Okay, how about here?
is
Okay, how many apples do you see?
40, 48.
Okay, so now we have the 31 apples. Oh, we also have the 54. Then we have the 27. Then we have the 48 apples. Okay, so now thank you so much for that, Min. So let's proceed on the exercise number 2, vocabulary. So listen and repeat this word with your tutor. Then you're just going to, okay. So since we don't have much enough time, means since we only have a few seconds left, so let's just continue this one next time, okay?
Yes.
All right, so for tonight, Min, I hope you learned, you had fun, and you enjoyed during our class tonight. So take care on your travel, Min. Goodbye and see you again next time. Bye bye.
Goodbye, teacher.
Goodbye. Thank you.